What's good, y'all? It's your boy Grizzly Guapo. I'm back at it again, Sean. Got the 20 gauge at the self-shoot clay pigeon area. Let's go see what we can do. Stop playing. It's your boy. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Grizzly Guapo. We are here at the range today. About to shoot some 20 gauge because I'm with my shorty. I would usually shoot 12, but it's her first time, so we gonna go light. How many pigeons we got?
135.
135. Shit. We in for a ride. What's good, y'all? Coming at you guys with a little different type of video today. Today we're at the shooting range, so let them at least see what we got going on. We got the clay pigeons, you know what I'm saying? Self-pull. We about to get into it. I got this 12 gauge over under double barrel, or 20 gauge, because I'm with the shorty. It's her first time. We went 20 gauge. It's all good though. We mad accurate. Let's go see if I can knock one down. First one of the day. What's good, guys? It's your boy Grizzly Guapo. As you can see, we at the shooting range today, shooting clay pigeons. I got the 20 gauge over and under. I think this is Remington, and we got 20 gauge ammo. Let's go see if I can knock down a clay pigeon. First one of the day. Let's go see. Oh. Can I get a splash down? Let's go see how much more we could do. It's your boy Grizzly Guapo. Oh. Let's go, baby. Number 3. Let's see if I can knock him down. Pull. Woo!
Handling it.
All right.
Try your best.
I haven't shot shotgun in a long time, a couple years. So you know, give me some leeway room. But let's see if I can smash this one down.
The gun usually will be handed to somebody, or it will be picked up together.
Shattered. Let's go.
Action.
All right, last one of the day. Wish me good luck. I hope I can hit it.
Next.
Pull. Woo!
Okay, not red, right?
Smack down.
Okay, cool.
Still got a couple shotguns, shells left, and a whole bunch of clay pigeons left. Hey y'all, I'm back home from the range. I just wanted to say, if you want these videos to keep coming out, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. It's your boy Grizzly Guapo. I'm out.